So, and once you got your query right and you have some client-side use of it, there's the Json QueryBuilder servlet, and which allows to run these queries easily and provide a JSON response. So the QueryBuilder debugger will have a link for the current query for that. And so I'm going to open that in a new tab, and so we'll see we've got a URL here which has the query in it as parameters. It's kind of one-to-one, what we've seen before. And we see we get some JSON back here. So I have my browser extension that gives me a nice display of the JSON, but it's just regular JSON. So, and here we can also play around with the parameters directly in URL. So we've had a limit of 10. Let's go back to limit of 5. So we just see 5 hits in this result here. And the standard way it's represented is kind of a simple representation of each result. It has the path, which is probably the most important part in most cases. The title, which in this case is just the file name, but like could be something different depending on the content, and a last modified and an excerpt. But you often want to have this customized. So what you can do is you can choose from a couple of different hitwriters, as they're called, and these can actually be provided. But there's one very generic and useful. It's a selective hitwriter where you can actually choose exactly what properties you want and nothing more. So you can optimize your response to just what you need and make sure the response size is not too big. So in this case, we just want to have the path. So if we do that, we just get the path back. We can extend that by space separating or plus separating in the URL a list of properties. These can be relative paths like this. So we will also want to get the last modified in here. So we actually get a nice nested tree structure here in the JSON with the path and then JCI content last modified because it is a nested one. So, and this is how to kind of leverage the JSON servlet.